it's Sue from Createful Journals, and today I wanted to show you how easy it is to edit some of the video games that are in the PowerPoint Profits Pack that I have been promoting. I've had a few people ask about, if they were to buy it, how easy it is, because it can look a little complicated when you start out. So I just thought I'd go through some very basic things about how we can make some changes. So what you would do here, you're on the home button here, and the easiest thing to do is you want to change out the background. So obviously you need to go and find a new background. Once you have one that you like, you would just come to Design, and then you come to Format Background at the top, make sure it's on the picture fill, and then you're going to go to Insert, go find a file on your computer, and we'll just find one here. Okay, so then find the picture that you want and then just click Insert, and now you'll see that the background has changed. Now, what we want to make sure is if you come down here at the bottom, because right now if you look at the slides, it's only on the first slide. So to simply, if you want the same background on all slides, we just click Apply to All here at the bottom. Okay, and now you can see that the background now has changed on all of the background slides. So you can do that. You don't have to worry about, you're not going to mess up any of these animations. So the next thing that you might want to change, of course, you can just change the title, type in the text, change what you want here. And now to change the pictures here. So what I like to do is, again, come to the Home tab at the top, under Editing, select, go to Selection Pane, and now you can see like all the different elements that are on this page. So what we want to do is say we want to change out the tiger. So click on this. Now it's outlined the back of the square, but we want to just change the image. So come over to the selection page, and you can see the number 2 is highlighted white at the top. Now underneath you'll see picture 28. Now watch as I click on this and watch the tiger. Now you can see that the tiger is highlighted. So now we can just come up to picture format at the top. Picture format, and then go to change picture from your device. And now again we want to go and find a new picture. So I'll just select a pink pig here, and now we're going to change it, and now you can see it has changed. And if you need to drag the size to change it, remember just to hold the shift key if you want to make it a little bigger to fit the square. This way you're not messing up any of the animations. And now this one, of course, we have to come and change the word tiger to pig. Right? And that's what you would do. Again, click on the main image, come to where it says picture 2, highlight the elephant, come up to picture format, change picture from this device, and let's go put the chicken here. And then insert chick. Hold the shift key to keep the proportions and just make it bigger, and then change the title. Okay, so that's the easy way to make some changes. Then once you're done, can come down to the end slide here. You could change the word congratulations to anything that you would like. And then obviously then you're going to just save it once you're done. Now, once you have this ready to sell, obviously you don't want to give your customers the editable template. So when you come to save, you go to Save As, and then click on the drop down here. And now from here, now there's a couple of different ones that we can use. There is a PowerPoint show. If there's macros in the slide, and you'd have to actually get the training from Craig, and he explains about the macros. If you need to have the macros enabled, then you would use the PPSM. If not, you could give them a PPSX show. And I've also just given out the PPTM one as well. So you can test which ones work for your particular game that you're working on. But you want to give out one of these formats so that when they open it, it plays and they can't edit anything in the file. Okay, now I just wanted to show you quickly, this is the version that I changed for myself. So I've changed the title, and now this is the PowerPoint show that I would give to customers. So let's just start it. So you click play. And then you can see that the game starts to work here. Okay, and of course if you click it wrong, then they get told that it's wrong here. Oh, let me just... Okay. So that's how the game works there. So they're fairly easy to edit. Let's go back here. Okay. So it's fairly easy to edit, and if you have any other questions, let me know. So they're great value for the price, so you can easily just take the basics and without having to worry about transitions, animations, the GIFs or anything else, and just make new versions that you could easily sell. So let me know if you do have any more questions, and the link to buy Craig's pack is below this video. Thank you.